Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make chalk paint. Before making chalk paint, I want to tell you something. So guys, you can see that we are too close to 5,000 subscribers. And on 5,000 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. So if you also want to be the part of the giveaway, then subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And guys, I am going to choose 2 winners from this video. So that's all about the giveaway. Now let's make chalk paint. Let's go. For making chalk paint, we need 1 spoon of talcum powder, 2 spoons of chalk powder. Now add white glue. Add 2 spoons of water. Now add your favorite color in it. Now just mix it. Now our chalk paint is ready. Let's test it. Wait, before testing, it's time for the shout out. So today's video shout out goes to Aditi Nigam, Mehak Chordia and Deepak Kunjam. So guys, now let's test it. Now let it be dry. So guys, you can see that our chalk paint works 100%. So you can also try this at home. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below for the giveaway. So till next video, bye.